Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to create an OpenProject account for free. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in our browser and all you need to do is search for OpenProject. Go ahead and it'll be www.openproject.org. Here we're going to go in and it's pretty simple. There's two ways of doing this. First of all, you can start the free trial, right? And this will allow you to use the browser version of OpenProject. But if you want to install OpenProject to your Windows or your Mac system, you're going to go ahead and click on Open or Install OpenProject. Okay, but for now, what we're going to do is we're going to create an account. So click on Start Free Trial. You will now see that you will have 14 days free in the cloud environment. Here you need to add in your organization name. So let's go ahead and say How to Harbor, and this, your extension will be .openproject.com. Also, if you want to add a custom domain, you can literally go ahead and click on custom domains. And now we need to add our email address. We're going to go down now, choose a team language and a data center. Now, depending on where you are and how you want to do this, they have the global AWS Germany or the Europe Scaleway. I'm going to go ahead with the global AWS Germany, and then we're going to go down and click on continue. All right, from here, you will now have to just confirm your email address. So go ahead, let's open our email account. We're going to go up here. And once you're in your email account, you may have to check perhaps your spam folder. So let's go into our spam folder. Let's see here. It might not be here. It might also be in social. Right, it is in our spam folder. So let's just go ahead, open this up, and then click on Start Testing OpenProject. Here you're going to add your first name, last name, and you are going to create a password. And then optionally, you can choose to have newsletters sent to your email. Let's go ahead and click on Create Account and get started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's save this password, and you can take this 3-minute introduction to learn how OpenProject actually works and some of their best features. So make sure that you are going through this and learning exactly how to do it. For now, I'm just going to say skip. We are in our dashboard, and this essentially, folks, is how you create your OpenProject account.